You know, Mad Dog, it pays to work with a pioneer in the business.
That's right, Merrill. For 60 plus years, MHP has been providing quality products to the consumer.
AMC is a high-quality American-made grill. Family-owned, high-quality grill since 1960.
The AMC is a moderately priced grill line. Made in the USA, right here in the good old Midwest.
With dual control valves.
With dual control stainless steel burners for direct and indirect cooking.
The AMC cooking grates are tightly spaced.
For easy maintenance and even heat distribution. Heat capturing channels for a great searing action.
With a 304 stainless steel warming rack.
Depending on your lifestyle, the AMC comes with either propane or natural gas.
The AMC series comes with a portable or permanent mount.
And of course, the stainless steel shelves fold down for extra room or when not in use.
The AMC cast aluminum housing has a lifetime warranty. Simple design.
Easy maintenance, designed to last a lifetime. And of course, Mad Dog
And Merrill approved.